Hi everyone, and welcome to Loopy Mabel Vintage Style Crochet. My name is Jane and I'm the creator designer behind Loopy Mabel. This is my first video, so I'm not sure how it's going to be, but here goes. I just wanted to share with you my love for crochet and all things yarny, because I just love wool, as you can see. And I just love to crochet basically, and I just thought, why not share what I like with other people around the world, like-minded people, and what better way than via YouTube. I've learned lots and lots of things through YouTube, and I just thought maybe I could share what I know with other people, so here we are. I've been designing patterns myself for about a year now. I finally plucked up the courage and had a go and never looked back. I've got about 5 or 6 patterns that are original to me, and I am in the process of writing the patterns up, and I will put the links in the videos as they are ready. I'm hoping to do tutorials, just general chat about what I've been doing this week, the projects that I've got on my hook, the wools that I'm using at the moment. Hopefully I'll be sharing with you the designs that I've been making. This is one of the ear warmers that I designed, and I've just got the pattern almost ready to be able to download for that. I hopefully will be making regular videos and updating you with what I've been doing. So this is just a short video just to say hello and introduce myself. I would love it if you could subscribe and make me feel wanted, and maybe if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and any feedback I would love if you could write in the comments. I would love your feedback too. So for now, from me, Jane, and you can just see Toffee here, my cat. He's one of my cats. I've got 4 cats, so no doubt you'll see them floating through the videos from time to time. But for now, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you very soon. Thank you.